Hi, I'm Dan Remley. I'm an associate professor and field specialist in food nutrition and wellness for Ohio State University Extension. I want to talk about some ways to make a smoothie. The first way is that we add 1 to 3 fruits, and we can add about maybe a half or 3/4 cup of total. But try to pick out some 3 different varieties of fruit, and they can be either frozen, fresh, or canned. Next, we can choose a vegetable, and maybe like a 1/4 cup, and they can be fresh or frozen. Things like spinach and kale are wonderful vegetables to include in your smoothie. Then we add our liquid. We can choose milk for calcium, even like plant milk such as almond milk. Fruit juice, we can add water and ice, and you can even try some tofu and yogurt as well. To make our smoothies even healthier, we can add some healthy fats such as nut butter, whole nuts, or seeds such as flaxseed and avocado. And finally, we can be creative and add more flavor. We can even cut back on added sugar or honey and add flavors such as spices such as cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, pumpkin pie spices. We can try fresh herbs like mint and basil or parsley. And we can also add things like shredded coconut, honey, or vanilla.